L. Veliko slovo L. Malo slovo L. L as in log, or in English we say L, and the last part of this pronunciation is L. L as in log, in Croatian L. Love. Lj. Veliko slovo Lj. Malo slovo Lj, as in million. Lj. Ljepota. Lj. Ljepota. Letter Lj in Croatian is a combination of L and J letters, and it's similar to English words that have a combination of letters that produce one sound. So you put L and J together to create Lj. L, J, Lj. Ljepota. M. Veliko slovo M. Malo slovo M. M. Mother. Mother. M. Momak. M. Momak. N. N. Veliko slovo N. Malo slovo N. N as in no, or N in Croatian. N as in no. N. Ne. N. Ne. Nj. Nj. Veliko slovo Nj. Malo slovo Nj. Similar to news. News. In English, several letters like N-E-W pronounced together give a similar sound to Croatian letter Nj. Again, Nj is compiled from two letters, N and J, N-J, Nj. Panj. Nj. Panj. O. O. Veliko slovo O. Malo slovo O. O as in low. Bog. Bog. P. P. Veliko slovo P. Malo slovo P. P. P as in pull. P. In Croatian a little bit stronger than English P. 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 Plivač. Plivač. R. R. Veliko slovo R. Malo slovo R. In Croatian we pronounce our slovo R, or letter R, in front of our mouth. In English we kind of curl the tongue back and say R. 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 So straighten out your tongue and go R. R. Ruka. Rolled, somewhat similar. R. Ruka. R. Ruka. S. S. Veliko slovo S. Malo slovo S. S. S or S, sun, sun. Sock, sock. Veliko slovo š, malo slovo š. As in shy. Šešir, šešir. T, veliko slovo T, malo slovo T. T in English is a little bit softer. We say T, top. Make it harder. T, tamo. T, tamo. U, veliko slovo U, malo slovo U. U as in mood. Uči. Uči. V, veliko slovo V, malo slovo V. Veliko slovo V, malo slovo V. V as in victory. V, vuk. Vuk. Z, veliko slovo Z, malo slovo Z. Z as in zero. Zid. Zid. Ž, veliko slovo Ž, malo slovo Ž. Veliko slovo Ž, malo slovo Ž. This is similar to pronunciation of the word measure in English. In English, in the word measure, sort of S-U-R-E produces a similar sound to letter Ž in Croatian. Measure. This one's a little bit stronger. Ž. Nož. Nož.
Что на небу сяли солнце,